So today we're talking
about
crystals. So we made these crystals in a jar. They've been here for like a month. Adam's ready to leave this house.
Yeah.
But it's all in the name of science and forgetfulness.
Yeah.
So we made crystals with 4 different things. So what you do is make a supersaturated solution we use sugar, salt, please don't make a huge mess out of it.
Yeah,
sugar, salt, baking soda, and Epsom salt. So what you do is, to make it supersaturated, you do a 2-to-1 solution. So if you're using half a cup of water, you'll do 1 full cup of whatever you're using, sugar, salt, Epsom salt, or baking soda. So we wanted to see which would create the best crystals. Which one do you think has the best crystals? There's our sugar crystal. This one was salt, and it made lots of crystals on the edge.
Let me see.
So what happens is that when the water starts to evaporate, the solids, which are the sugar, the salt, the Epsom salt, baking soda, want to come back together. And as they come back together, they form these crystals. This one's Epsom salt. Those are kind of cool crystals, huh?
Yeah.
Cool looking. And this one is the baking soda, which I feel like didn't. No, it just formed a hard, like, glue cement. Good luck ever using that jar again.
I kind of like it.
I kind of like it. Epsom salt made the coolest crystals. What do you think?
Yeah, coolest.
And the sugar made the best crystal. And, well, we're not making a mess, like I just said.
And then the one they know crystal.
If you want to try it out,
you can.
Try it with sugar or Epsom salt. Dissolve it in boiling water. Wrap a yarn around a pencil. Put it in. Forget about it. Grow your own crystals.
And don't use baking soda. You go careful. You use the heat you put it in. Again.
Well, you can. You just have to wash it. Put it in the dishwasher. It'll be fine.
Yeah.
And we used food color